Greetings. It's Chris. It's the Mad Respect. How we doing out there? I got my big box of pre-orders from the discount comic book service. Don't worry, I'm not a new diamond customer. This is a new way things have been shipped. Let's see. This is the second half of my March pre-orders, not counting my things from another world, which will probably be here hopefully by the weekend. I haven't even finished processing it. We'll see how long it takes them this time. I love these little foamy things. It's a lot better than packing peanuts. Yeah, we got another big one. Alright, quite a lot here. Alright, I'm gonna go with this invoice and all that. And we also get Marvel Free Previews magazine that you get as a member of DCBS at no additional charge. And let's see what we got out of this one. First we got Children of the Grave number 3 from Scout Comics. Iron Man number 7. This is the two-tone variant cover by, blanking on the name. Yeah, but it's two-tone variant. Full cover. Stray Dogs number 2. This is the B cover horror movie variant, Pet Sematary. And another. Year Zero number 5 from volume 2. This is the end of volume 2. Miskatonic number 5 from Aftershock. I believe this is the final issue of the series. Teen Titans Academy number 1, cover A. And the second. Batman Detective Comics number 1034. This is by Mariko Tamaki and Dan Mora, the Dark Detective team. Now moving forward into the present storyline. Thor. This is number 13, Prey Part 5. This is just cover A. I don't say anything about a variant edition. Sword number 4 from Marvel and Al Ewing. King Black tie-in. Justice League number 59. This is the David Marquez wraparound cover. Ultra Mega number 1 by James Herron and Dave Stewart. It's a new title from Image Comics. It's the Captain America Anniversary Tribute, celebrating 80 years of the Star-Spangled Avenger. This is cover A by McNiven, although I thought I ordered cover B by Mark Brooks, but that's okay. I just want to see how they recreate it. Shit Show number 2, Scout Comics. Catwoman number 29 with the Jenny Friesen variant cover. Carnage, Black, White, and Blood, #1 with the Gleason webhead variant. And another. Teen Titans Academy #1, cover B by Philip Tan, I believe. And another. Alien #1 with the Patrick Gleason cover. I got an email, funny email today that says if you expecting Alien #1 and you actually got Spider-Woman #11, it's just backwards in your bag and board. It looks like it didn't happen that way for me. It would be fun to do that on the video, but it didn't happen that way for me. But Alien #1 with the Patrick Gleason variant. Scumbag #6, Rick Remender and Bengal on this issue. Frank at Home on the Farm, issue #3 from Scout Comics. Batman Superman #16. This is the cover B variant cover. Haha, issue #3, cover A. Batman Black and White #4, cover B by Simone Bianchi, Two-Face. I'm getting all the villain covers on this title. Haha #3, cover B, from Image and Maxwell Prince. Stray Dogs #2, cover A. And another one. I Breathe the Body #3 from Aftershock. X-Men #19. That's a pretty cool cover. Batman Catwoman #4, cover A by Clayman. Crossover #5 by Donny Cates and Jeff Shaw from Image Comics. Giga #3, long awaited, long overdue. I think the second issue came out in January. Here we are, finally, maybe late December or early January, I can't remember. I got my copy in January, but this is #3 with cover B by Gorham, I believe. Shadecraft #1, cover B by Jock. Beta Ray Bill #1, Ryan Stegman variant cover. Sea of Sorrows #4 from IDW, Rich Dueck and Alex Cormack of Sync fame. Infamy, as I call it. And last we have Department of Truth issue #7 with the Tyler Boss variant cover. And from Scout Comics we have the Grit trade paperback. I saw people talking about this in the community during the summer. I can't remember which channel it was, possibly, it might have been Comic Tom, I'm not sure, but looked like a pretty fun title, so I wanted to give it a read. So that's all we got here. This is my pre-orders in the second part of March, and my first March pre-orders include quite a lot of stuff from February and even January because of the Diamond shutdown for weather. Coming up on the channel, you'll be seeing my 50 subscriber giveaway video, the items I will be giving away there. Also coming up on the channel, we're going to have my library graphic novel reviews. I'm a little behind, but I got quite a big stack of stuff to go over with you guys. And probably another graphic novel haul. That might be next week. I'm skipping this week because I went last week early. And then I'll open up my TFAW stuff when it shows here. Hopefully end of this week, but probably next week. And then tomorrow night, I'm hoping to be online with you guys on the Peter Parker Comics channel as part of his Tuesday night auction. Got this whole box here ready to go for you guys. So hopefully that can happen. And then other than that, I think everything's going good. I hope everyone else is doing okay out there as the world opens up a little bit more. But still stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.